Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Roblox auto clicker on mobile. An auto clicker can significantly enhance your gameplay by automating repetitive taps, which is especially useful in games requiring constant clicking. Since Roblox itself doesn't provide this feature, you'll need a separate application. It's crucial to be mindful of security. Always research and choose reputable apps to protect your mobile device from potential risks. We'll guide you through the process safely. Selecting the right auto clicker app is a critical step. When browsing your app store, focus on applications with excellent user feedback, ideally boasting 4.5 stars or more, and hundreds of thousands of downloads. Verify that the app explicitly supports your phone's operating system. Additionally, take a moment to examine the permissions the app requests. Ensure they align with its function and don't seem overly intrusive, safeguarding your privacy and device integrity. Installation and setup. Download your chosen auto clicker app directly from a trusted source like the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. After installation, navigate to your phone's accessibility settings to grant the auto clicker the necessary permissions to function. Configure the click interval, often measured in milliseconds, and the number of clicks per second to suit your specific game requirements. With your auto clicker installed and set up, it's time to use it in Roblox. Activate the app, and you'll usually see a small, adjustable overlay appear on your screen. Drag this target over the specific area in your Roblox game where you want the automated clicks to occur, like a mining spot or a collect button. While these tools can be very helpful, always remember to use them responsibly. Be mindful of game rules and ensure fair play for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.